my Leetcode solving session. So this is a very easy question, can make the arithmetic progressions. Okay, so if you like mathematics, then arithmetic progressions looks very easy, but there are still many open problems in arithmetic progressions. But luckily, then we don't care about the mathematics. What we care about is how to test the array, which if you rearrange it, then it must be arithmetic. Okay, so one thing you need to know is if a sequence is arithmetic, then the common difference is non-zero, then the sequence must be strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, and the differences for each element should be the same. Okay, so the first one is that we just first sorted this array, and then we count, then we recall the first element minus the zero element, and this is called I don't know. Okay, I should say the difference. Okay, and I check for the rest, and I check for the rest, and I check for the rest difference. If the rest difference is same as the original difference, then it's the arithmetic progressions. Otherwise, it's not arithmetic progressions. So if each difference is the same as our original original list, then this is the common difference. Then this is the arithmetic progressions. Otherwise, it's not the arithmetic progressions. Okay, so very straightforward, and I can get the answer. So I mean, this is basically linear time, not linear time. This is unlogarithm time, because this is sorted. But I guess it's still very fast. It's still very straightforward and fast solution. Okay, I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.